Do you own a Manfrotto 410 and have you ever encountered the following defects? Micro adjustment knobs that come loose when turning, or a quick release plate that won't snap in its lock. In this video, I'll show you how to repair your Manfrotto 410.